Welcome to Mythbusters Down Syndrome Edition. My name is Aaron Waddingham.
Hi, my name is Dr. Kathryn Garforth from Garforth Education.
Hi, my name is Eleanor Stewart, and I'm from the Down Syndrome Resource Foundation. I'm the Director of Education and Services. And we're here to dispel some myths about Down syndrome.
People with Down syndrome can't have careers. Why couldn't they?
Yeah, exactly. Sure, like maybe we're not going to have a person with Down syndrome become a surgeon, but we have so many individuals with a variety of jobs, and in some certain situations where employers have carved out a specific job based on that individual's strength. But yeah, just to think of a few, we have adults here that work at movie theaters, at casinos, at restaurants as greeters and hosts. We have people who work in the kitchen doing food prep and dishwashing. We have I've had a few students who've worked at old folks' homes who've come in and helped, with the social hour and, having conversations and things like that. And then also in the downtime when residents aren't around, they're helping clean up the space and tidy up and help with the food service. But then we have actors like Aaron, dog walkers, like it's endless. We have a lot of a variety. And I think that's what's really important, is to not think of individuals with Down syndrome only working in warehouses or doing these kind of remedial, repetitive tasks. They're capable of more. And often that's a strength of individuals, or a strength of individuals with Down syndrome, is that they are very organized. And that has really come out in some of the jobs where they are able to use that skill and really benefit the employer.
Exactly. And I think we need to encourage employers to give individuals with Down syndrome the opportunity, and not just say, okay, well, these are the jobs that you can do, and really ask them and take the time to know their strengths and weaknesses.
Yeah.
Right? Because just because there's a stereotype of what jobs individuals with Down syndrome have typically done, that doesn't mean it's appropriate for this individual. And also, you don't know the talents that this individual can bring into your work environment.
Yeah. And even we or one of the classes that I teach works with individual or with young adults, and we focus really on the soft skills, because I think those are the more for anyone, those are the skills that are harder to learn, right? You can teach anyone how to run a dishwasher, or how to stock a shelf, or how to use a cash register. But I think, being able to tell an employer how you learn best. And what often we find is that when those individuals tell the employer, you know what, I would probably be able to do this job better if I had a checklist right here, or if you could put up a timer just so I know that I'm staying on track. And what happens is that those strategies that are put in place, or those support systems are put in place, benefit everyone that's working there. And that's really cool to see.
Yeah, definitely. And, having the employer being comfortable to allow the individual to self-advocate, and having the confidence in saying, you know what, I think you can do better than you're doing right now. Tell me how I can help you.
Yeah. And I think we just, again, on employment, just with the whole, now that most students have their own smartphone, that's really benefited, because what they can do now is, when they're being taught a new skill at work, they can take a video of it, or they can take a photo of it, and then that just gives them that extra practice that they need to really get the skill or the knowledge, cemented in their memory, and then they're able to do their job even better. And that's really helped a lot. And it's also helped parents and family be able to support their son or daughter in a better way, or a more effective way.
Well, let's see what our friend Aaron has to say.
I have a job because I'm an actor. That means I am more famous couple in the future of editions for in the future. Make sure I'm on top with disabled. You in the show or in a movie, whatever you are. That's why you are in actor grid. You are a master of improv. Going to a play. or go to the theater, whatever.
Yeah, and you get paid for your work.
Yes, paid too. Yes.